Hi everyone, welcome to our weekly craft video summer reading edition. This week we're going to be learning how to make mug cakes. Mug cakes are one of my favorite desserts because one, they're really easy, and two, they're super quick to make for when you really want a dessert. So I have my Pete the Cat mug here with me. It says this is how I roll. So we're going to be using this. So we're going to be making two recipes today. The first one is going to be a Funfetti inspired vanilla cake. And then the second one is going to be a chocolate cake. And the cool thing about these recipes is that you can really kind of make them however you want. Once you have the base batter, then you can add whatever you want. So for the Funfetti cake, our first step is the flour. So I have some flour in my bowl here. Oops. And then we need this. So it says we need 4 tablespoons of flour. So we put the flour in, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 tablespoons of flour. And then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have my sugar in a bag today. So that's 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And baking powder. So we have baking powder in the bowl here. We need half a teaspoon. So I have my half a teaspoon here. And put that in. Alright, so now that we have all those dry ingredients, got my spoon, mix it up, make sure it's all mixed together and you don't want any big clumps. Alright, that's good. Alright, so next we need to add some milk. So I have my milk in a separate mug, and we need 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need 1½ tablespoons of oil. So I have 1 and then 1/2. And then last, we need vanilla extract. And they want 1/4 teaspoon, so right in there. Then you're going to take your spoon and mix it all up. So, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a runny vanilla batter. So, now, once you gotta scrape the edges to make sure you get all the flour mixed together. Now I'm gonna add, making a mess again, my sprinkles. So you can use anything you like. You can put nuts, you can put sprinkles, you can put chocolate chips. And it's 1 tablespoon. So then we're gonna mix these in. That off, make sure all the batter is in there. So all my sprinkles are in there. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to microwave it from between 45 seconds to 1 minute. And you want to watch it very carefully and just make sure it doesn't burn, because if you put it in for too long, it'll burn really quickly. So we're going to go microwave this and see how it goes. Be careful, it's hot. Alright, so next we're going to work on our chocolate mug cake. So this is all I need is a good book and my dog mug. So our first step is the flour. So again, I have my flour here, and this time you're going to want 1/4 of a cup. So put that in there. And then we need 1/4 of a cup of sugar also. All right, so the next one we need is baking soda. So the last time we used baking powder, this time is baking soda. And we need 1/8 of a teaspoon, so very, very little. Put that in there. Put that back. And your cocoa powder. You need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2. And some salt, just a pinch. Then mix it in. You don't want any clumps. Make sure all the flour and the cocoa powder is mixed together. You don't want a half chocolate cake and a half plain cake, vanilla cake. All right, so now we move on to our liquids. So we need 3 tablespoons of milk, and I'm gonna make my milk's gonna get a little dirty. 1, 2, 3. And then we need 2 tablespoons of canola oil. 1, 2. Oops. Like I said before, it's not a library craft if you don't make a mess. And then this is water. So you just need 1 tablespoon of water. All right. And your vanilla extract. So you just need, just like last time, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. All right. Now you take your spoon and you want to mix it all up. Don't forget, just like last time, scrape the sides, scrape the crease at the bottom of the mug. You want to make sure all the flour and the liquids are mixed together. Now with this one, I don't have any, but you can add chocolate chips, would make it really chocolatey. Nuts, you could even put sprinkles in your chocolate cake. You could have a chocolate Funfetti cake. Make it your own. So then with this one, you have to microwave it a little more. So you're gonna microwave it for 1 minute and 45 seconds on high in your microwave. And again, make sure just watch it just in case you don't want it to burn. If you burn it, it'll taste really yucky. So we're gonna go microwave these and see how it goes. Be careful, it's hot.